Hey, it's a nice Friday to all. I'm here again. I'm going to show Opera Mini 4.0. It's the built-in Opera Mini at my phone QT. It's the icon with the red O, and I'm sure most my phone users are already familiar with the Opera Mini. Okay, so I'll click it and launch. See, it's loading, and there it's the start page, and you can see I have saved some pages already. Now I'm going to Facebook. It's not clear, please bear with it. Now I already click it and it's connecting at the bottom. See, now I'm at my Facebook wall, and the blue bar means it's loading. So you see, now I'm gonna scroll down. I can say that Opera 4.0 is much more user-friendly than 6.0 version, because when you push it to the right, you will automatically be scrolling down the page. And now let's try going to other pages, like you will see there, when I click left, there will come out choices: enter address, start page, bookmarks. Okay, let's choose bookmarks. And there I have bookmarked some pages. I'll go to YouTube. Of course, YouTube, my favorite video site. It's connecting, and I'm here at my previous video. Let's try going to Yahoo. How about Yahoo? Yahoo. It's connecting again. And it's loading. So you see Yahoo, different sites. And I get to like Opera 4.0 more because it's faster than 6.0 that I am using in my previous videos. And take note, I'm using the Globe SIM here, because Globe SIM, with Globe SIM you can use different tricks. Okay, and I would like to thank the admin of my phone tips and tricks page, where I am a member. I have learned a lot from. Okay, let's go. And if you want to go back to your previous pages, you just have to click back. It's at the right. Look at my finger, right, back, right, back. It's faster. Okay, I'll try to see the post at my wall. Someone commented at my wall. Wow, faster, right? It's a comment regarding my YouTube video about, of course, my phone QT7. Okay, there you see Opera Mini 4.0 version on my phone QT7. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you again for watching. Bye.